World Coconut Day. These 10 health benefits of coconut will blow your mind. Whether you realize it or not, coconut is present in our lives in many different ways, as garnish in our puddings, as oil in our hair, as cooking oil in our food, and as a cool, refreshing drink. But have you ever come across the amazing health benefits of coconut? Ahead of this World Coconut Day, on September 2nd, we have compiled for you a list of 10 health benefits of coconut that will blow your mind. Benefits of coconut. Immunity building. Immunity is the word which has become very familiar to us during the times of COVID-19. You will be surprised to know that a seemingly ordinary coconut has antibacterial and antiviral properties. In order to build our immunity, we can include coconut in our diet in many different ways, by using coconut oil as cooking oil, drinking coconut water, and even by eating raw coconut. Weight loss. Those who are on a diet cannot choose a lot of food items from the menu, however, coconut is not one of them. Coconut oil is a go-to option for those who are trying to lose weight. Replacing normal cooking oils with coconut oil can help you shed those extra kilos and also have other health benefits. Even eating raw coconut can give you a feeling of fullness and help you reduce weight by curbing your appetite. Beautiful skin and hair. If you're having a bad hair day, just heat some coconut oil and apply on your hair. You can also use to massage your body. Coconut oil has high fat content which nourishes skin and hair and also gives freedom from wrinkles. As already mentioned, coconut is antibacterial and antifungal properties. This makes it good for scalp health. Healthy bones. Coconut is very rich in minerals. The high manganese content of coconut makes it a very good dietary inclusion for bone health. It can help in bone development and density. Goodbye constipation. Constipation is a digestive issue a number of people face. Coconuts are very high in fiber content and therefore they can prove to be a great cure constipation. In fact, 61% of coconut is fiber. It can be consumed raw or, alternatively, coconut oil can be used as a laxative. Hydration. Staying hydrated is very important for your skin and overall health. Coconut water is a great electrolyte source. Electrolytes play some very important roles in our body, including maintaining proper fluid balance. The high electrolyte content in coconut water is the best, healthiest drink for hydration. Diabetes control. There is some evidence to support the claim that coconut oil can be helpful in controlling type 2 diabetes. Including coconut oil in your recipe can actually enhance insulin sensitivity, which can lead to healthier blood sugar levels.